Traders in the building, what is good? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. So this marks the first of many videos that I'll be dropping on the channel. So today I'll be analyzing EURUSD GBPUSD and USDJPY. I chose these three because I know that these are the most anticipated ones, and I'll keep on adding others as time goes. So in front of us we have the EURUSD, and as you can tell from this arrow, I am bullish on this particular instrument. Now the reason why I'm bullish is because the market has broken above the trend line that was coming down, of course, the bearish trend line, and the market at the moment is currently above a support. So if you look in your far left, this area over here has been acting as an area of support for some time, very long time ago. I mean, if you look at the year that the market had started to respect this area, that was back in 2015, right? And look at it now, we are still respecting the structure. Even in 2024 we are above that area. So this is why I see this as an area where price could potentially bounce from, because it has shown to be an area that the market, anytime it's trading above, it respects. Because we can look at this as a fake out. We can really look at this as a fake out because it broke below, came back, and instead of continuing down, the market then just came back inside the range. So of course that is why I'm bullish on this particular instrument. Now we need to go to a smaller time frame for you guys to also see other structures that I've identified over there. So I also noticed that there is also another trend on this particular time frame that the market had created, and at the moment we are below that trend. However, I do see that the market is going to break this trend eventually. So this was the high of the trend, second touch, third touch, a fourth touch. So this was a valid area where market, anytime it gets to, it rejects. Of course you can see that, gets there, it rejects, gets there, it rejects, gets there, it rejects. So this area over here is an area that you should be paying attention to if you're trading this particular instrument. So now, because I am bullish on this particular instrument, I'm looking at this area over here. Okay, let me rather go to the weekly time frame, because I don't want to have my chart too zoomed out, like zoomed in like that. So as you can see, if you look at this price action over here, we have this area as an area of significance, and this is an area of significance. This is the high of the range, and this is the low of the range. So my areas where I'm interested to buy is if the market could come above this area of resistance that you have seen many times and give me a retest, and this is where I'm interested to take long positions. Or if the market could, as you can see, there's a structure over here. If the market could come, respect that structure, come back and maybe create another low over here, and then from there, this is where you can buy. Or again, if you are a trader who likes adrenaline and you like to scalp, you can also buy if the market breaks out of this area over here, buy to the trend line, and hopefully if it does break the trend line, then again we wait for the market to break the high and we continue going to the upside. That's all I have for this particular instrument, EURUSD, for the week that is coming. There's nothing more, there's nothing less. Moving on, this is GBPUSD, and on GBPUSD I'm also bullish. So let's go to the higher time frame so that you can see everything over there. So if you look at this particular instrument, you will notice that similar to EURUSD, we also just broke out of the trend line, and we are currently above a level of structure. So looking at this structure over here, you can see that supported over here, supported, and the market broke out but couldn't sustain and hold below that area over there. Eventually it broke above that structure, and we've been trading above that structure ever since. If you also look at this market, from the time it was here, it was around 2015, 2016, you can look at it. And so this is an area which we can consider as a very valid area of support. So this is why I'm bullish on this particular instrument. And of course, this trend line can never go unnoticed. First touch, second touch, and the market broke out, gave a retest, and at the moment we can expect those bullish moves. So how you can take advantage of this move to the upside, you need to go to a smaller time frame, your daily time frame, or any time frame that you prefer, and over there you look for structure. And structure is anything confirming that the market is about to go the direction that you are anticipating. So I do apologize if my tone is a bit low. I am recording at night, so I don't want to wake my son up, so you do apologize for that, and forgive me for that. At least I've dropped something, of course. So these are my areas of interest that I have identified on this particular instrument, GBPUSD, if you're looking to buy this market, because on the higher time frame we are bullish. It might seem like the market is coming down at the moment, however you should be looking for buys if you're trading this market based on the higher time frame, right? So as you can see, I've already marked these areas. So for me to buy this market, I'm interested to see the market coming back to this support over here. I expect the market to respect this area of structure over here and give a retest again on this particular low, and then create a double bottom pattern, and this is where you can start to look for buys. However, anything could happen. So what if the market next week opens and immediately we break above this area of sensitivity over here, and again we break above the trend line over there? Then again, it means the market then is confirming those buys, and we can start to buy immediately and hope that the market breaks this high, and again we take continuation to the upside. Really, that's all I'm looking for in this particular instrument, or rather that's all I see at the moment. You can also comment something in the comment section if you're seeing something that maybe I might have overlooked or I missed. You can comment in the comment section, and I'll make sure to look into it next week. I think that's all I have for this instrument. Moving on to USDJPY, and on this one I'm also bullish. So let's go to the higher time frame. If you go to the higher time frame, you will also see that this market has been going up, and currently we are also very much bullish with that bullish candlestick of a monthly time frame. So this market created a channel over here, right? First touch, second touch, and a third touch, and a touch over here, touch, and another touch over there. So anytime the market reaches the high or the bottom of the channel, it reacted in the way that we anticipated, of course. So now if you look at this particular instrument at the moment, it does seem like it has broken, or rather it doesn't seem like it has broken out of a resisting trend line, and it has broken above the high over there. So let's go to the weekly time frame. It's so unclear on this particular time frame, so the weekly time frame will show us everything over there. So if you look at it from this time frame, you will notice that there's a high over here that the market had created, and it came again, respected that high. It came again for the third time, respected that high, but recently the market then broke out of that high. So now I do expect that if you want to continue buying this market, it's already high. You cannot be buying when the market is high. You need to wait for the market to give you a retest back to this support, and on this support, this is where you can potentially start to look for buys, because at the moment the market is just going up, and I don't see it as a right chance for you to buy unless you're a scalper and you like adrenaline. Then maybe you can trade it like that, but I would never encourage you to trade a market that is already moved. I mean, if you look at it also, this is not price action. The market just shot very bullish to the upside. So as you know, the market doesn't go one direction. It's impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse correction. So this is an impulse move, so you can wait for the market to give you that correction, and after the correction has tapped back into the support, then you can be happy and excited to take those buys, because then it would be a valid entry for you as you would be buying low. That's all I have for this particular market, man, for the week that is coming. Thank you for watching up to this far. I love you so much. I'm very much tired. I think you can tell from my voice, but yeah, man, it is what it is. I'll see you next week, same time, same place, and I am out.